All right, guys, today we're going to try to add some slides, or we are going to add some slides to your PBL document. Your PBL document is probably named Bees in the Dark, and it has your name, first name, last name, hyphen, Bees in the Dark. You can either get that in your Google Drive, go drive.google.com and search for Bees in the Dark, or you can go into your Google Classroom. It may be in Classroom still under the assignment, I believe, Science, in the Science assignment. But get your document, your PBL, it's named Bees in the Dark with your name, and open it up. Chances are you have 18 or 19 slides, probably 18 slides, but some of you do have 19 slides. The first thing you need to do is make sure that you can edit this over here. If you cannot edit this, you need to go to, you're probably in Miss Atkins' English class, you need to go to Miss Atkins' Google Classroom and unsubmit the Bees in the Dark document. So go to the assignment, unsubmit it, and then it'll give you rights to edit it again. Once you've done that, or if you don't have to do that, you need to add as many of these blank slides, and you can just copy this one by clicking Control-C. Copy as many of these blank slides as you need and paste them into your document so that you end up with 20 slides even. 20 slides even. So you don't need these ones, not yet. You're gonna add just 20 slides even. So yours will look like this. You'll have 20 slides. Once you're done with that, go back to the teacher document that you have. You have this Bees in the Dark, the teacher version. Go to it and copy slides 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. Copy those slides and paste them into your document. And the way that you can do that, if you don't remember, is hold down Control on the keyboard and click these other slides. Whichever slides you click and you've got selected, we'll have a blue box around them. You'll notice slides 19 and 20 don't, 20 to 25 do. Or if you want to do it even faster, hold down or click on 21, hold down the Shift button, click the very end, and it'll highlight everything in between. So go ahead and do that. Control-C from the teacher document slideshow, then Control-V, which is paste. Control-V, which is paste into your document. So now you've got up to 20 is a blank slideshow, a blank slide like this. And then 20, 22, 23, 24, 25 is all the same. Everybody's is the same. And what's going to happen, instead of you adding 2 or 3 slides in one class and 2 or 3 slides in another class, you add one slide and that's done. So for the entire rest of the PBL, there will not be more than 25 slides. There shouldn't be. So what you can do is, let's say that for science class, we go out to the greenhouse and the outside pond, and we pull some data and we add that to a spreadsheet. Well, what we'll be able to do is take the URL from another document. We'll be able to take the URL from one document and hyperlink it to here. So for example, I copied just another spreadsheet. I'm going to go down, I'm going to right click, go down to link, or click Control-K, that's a shortcut, and paste it, which is Control-V, or you can right click and click paste, click apply. So now, and it's kind of difficult to see, but now whenever I click on this, if I want to get to the data from the aquaponics lab, I click on the link, or I click on the words, and I click on this link, and that will open up that document. Last thing to do, because this PBL is no longer just Bees in the Dark, we'll leave that title there, but go up to your title and click. You can see where I'm clicking up here. Click and put parentheses around Bees in the Dark. I'm going to put parentheses before and after Bees in the Dark. And then put 7th grade PBL between your name and Bees in the Dark. So for example, mine would be Zach Hurley, 7th grade PBL, Bees in the Dark. Just have, your name is already up there and Bees in the Dark is already up there. So just add parentheses and add 7th grade PBL. You can keep Bees in the Dark there because that's the name of it. That's what the initial name was. But so change the name of the document, add blank slides until you get 20 slides, and then add these 5 slides so that and I think this will make everything a lot easier in the future as far as adding slideshows and spreadsheets and stuff like that. If none of this makes sense, or if there's parts of this that don't make sense, ask your peers that if they understand it. You can ask your teachers. And if we can't figure out an answer, we will ask somebody else. So until we can figure out an answer, we should be able to get it solved.